Hi there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to repair a detached sole on a pair of Chelsea boots using a professional-grade, flexible cyanoacrylate superglue formulation. I bought this pack from Amazon in the UK for between £15 and £20. Further information and usage tips are available from the manufacturer's website, www.shoerepairglue.com. The yellow and black carded blister pack contains a single plastic bottle of the glue, which is transparent, colourless, and has a cyanide odour, like all traditional superglues. The 20-gram quantity is claimed to repair up to 10 boots. The boots are made from a leather upper and a moulded rubber sole. The right boot is largely intact, but the rubber sole has detached quite badly on the left boot, as you can see. The first instruction is to completely remove all moisture, oil, dirt, and any other residue from the surface before we begin the repair. To do this, I'm going to use neat isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. The next stage is to unscrew the cap to expose the fine-tipped nozzle. Don't unscrew the nozzle from the bottle. Apply a small thin bead of the boot fix or shoe fix shoe glue along the wear line or the edge of the sole to one surface to be bonded. Then immediately assemble the sole to the desired position and hold in place securely for between 10 and 45 seconds. Now, I've been rather generous applying the glue here, as I usually do, so I'm going to wipe it off using the microfiber cloth. The tips from the manufacturer are to use a tri-folded paper towel to wipe off any excess glue. I use cyanoacrylate superglues quite a lot in other hobby work, and the general advice usually is to leave the glue to set for approximately 24 hours. So in this case, that's what I've done, and I'm showing you the repaired boot after 24 hours of setting time and some cleaning and polishing. As I manipulate the boot across its natural bend points, there's no separation. The end result looks pretty satisfactory to me. I'm quite happy with that. So I'll just say thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.